the TA Montgomery. They got the fuel primer on my truck. I just changed those filters. And the truck won't start. They had a problem with the guy's truck this morning that was over on the other side. His truck wouldn't start. They said it wouldn't prime, so I don't know what the problem is, but we'll figure it out, or they'll figure it out, because my truck, I pulled it in here, no problem, so we're going to get right. That's my baby. Well, we're going to let it run, buddy boy. Don't worry about that. We're going to let it run. Let's move it around. So we changing fuel filters, man. Truck wouldn't start. I forgot the brand that he said he had, but we back rolling. We almost done. We get back to the crib. Yeah.